and is often kept in private and public collections. Many were thought to have been released during the Second World War when their owners had other priorities, and some have undoubtedly escaped from poorly built or storm damaged enclosures. As their numbers are still quite low, it isn't clear how or if they will impact native species. I really don't know if this one will be a surprise, but yes, there are scorpions living wild in the UK. Yellow-tailed scorpions have been recorded at a handful of places around the country, but their most numerous population is in a shipyard on the Isle of Sheppey in Kent. These arachnids are around the size of a cricket, and when I recently visited, they seemed very docile